I'm Adriana Cavita, and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. When I had to decide like what to do for my life, art was what I wanted to do, but my mom basically says, I know you're gonna die of hunger, and I decided to start with culinary school. The most tasty food that I tried in Mexico in all my trips, it was like cooked with charcoal, you know? So we had to actually design the grill to simulate the cooking of the pig in Yucatan or the barbacoa, you know? It helps me to really reproduce Mexican flavors. My name is Adriana, and we are at Cavita restaurant in Marylebone. The first dish we're gonna cook is the Mackerel Zarandeado style, like it's the style from the Sinaloa region in Mexico. So I'm gonna prepare the marination, the sauce, and then we're gonna grill the fish. What do I love from this dish? It reminds me Mexico and the beach. All the times that I'm with my family, usually we go to the beach, you go to like these small restaurants where you can order like a whole fish, like a proper whole fish. Like in Mexico it's like 3 kilos sometimes. So that's the zarandeado. First step, we're gonna do the marination. So I'm gonna blend coriander, parsley, jalapeno, onion, garlic. I use a little bit of pepper, salt, olive oil, vinegar. So I blend all of that together to make a paste for the marination. So this is gonna be our marination for the fish. The next, I'm gonna do the sauce. I'm gonna roast the pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna asar the garlics and onion. Asar is kind of roast directly to the fire, a vegetable, in this case garlic and onion. Like you cook a little bit the ingredient and also is all the char that you get out of that. I'm gonna asar also the jalapeno. One of our chefs, she's from India, so sometimes she cooks for us for family meal, and then I was like, well, let's do like a mix, and then this sauce came out. So I'm gonna put the coriander, it's gonna be mint. So I really like to use fresh herbs in general. They are amazing. So I just need to let this cool down a little bit. Basically, once the jalapeno is roast, I'm just gonna take a little bit the skin. Some people in Mexico have like these stuffed jalapenos that they need to do this to each of them. I'm like, wow, it's a lot of work, but it's tasty. So this is a little bit of vinegar, olive oil, and the onion, the chile, and then it's ready to blend. Basically here I'm looking for kind of pesto texture, but a little bit roast and nutty from the pumpkin seeds. So what I do with the fish is basically take out all the fins. So we're going to pin bone the mackerel now before put the marination. So I'm just making sure I don't have any bone, or the less as possible, you know. So now what I do is hang for 2 reasons. One, I want to smoke a little bit, and the other one is to dry a little bit the skin, have it like as crispy as I can. There. So now for the mackerel, I'm gonna use a little bit of oil in the bottom once the skin is more dry and it's a bit more smoky. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is the marination we made. So I'm gonna put on top everywhere to make sure everything tastes very nice. I'm gonna serve with a slice of lime and the sauce that we made before. Now I'm gonna grill it. So I'm gonna grill it, well, it depends on the size of the fish, but usually it's like max 1 minute on the skin and 2 minutes the other side. So after I grill the mackerel, I just serve with a little bit of salad on the side, the sauce that we made before with the pumpkin seeds, and tortillas. I just dress the salad with a little bit of vinaigrette. It's very simple, oregano, salt, apple vinegar, and Mexican oregano. What I do is like do your own tacos. So you're gonna grab a tortilla, put the fish, sauce, a little bit of salad, and lime if you want more. This is my mackerel zarandeado.